So this is the wires box. It comes as a 4-channel unit with a switch, a wall switch that you can stick on, and a 4-channel key fob remote as well. As you can see, it's an IP56 box and it has 5 outlets, so 1 for the incoming power and 4 outlets for different lighting circuits or whatever you may want to switch. When we open it up, inside we've got the circuit board. It looks like this. They're really simple to wire up. So for the internal parts, you have the incoming live and neutral over here. You have to be careful because the live and neutral are this way round on the main, but as you come over to the outlets, they're the other way round. So just have to be mindful of that when wiring them up. You have the earth block along here. So you have your incoming live, neutral and earth going to this. And then your outlets, you have 4 switching points in this box. And it's basically just live, neutral, all the way along. And the earth's going to here. Each circuit has a 10 amp fuse, which is all 4 of these, so they're fused down independently. These buttons across the top are for syncing to the remote switches. So you hold down one of these buttons, which I'll do in a minute. It lets out an intermittent beep, and then you connect it up to the switch. And that module there is for the Wyze chip that I showed in a previous video. So if you insert that chip, that will then also provide a link to your phone via an app, so you can switch the lights on and off via your app and set timings, etc. Okay, so here we have it wired up. Don't judge the wiring, this has been very rough and ready. I've just rigged it up on a little board that we use for training and for the apprentices and things like that. It's something we made a few years ago, so I've sort of just connected it up to that. Got it on a plug top, which I'm just going to plug in to power it up. You can see, so we've got the live and neutral in and the earth, and then I've just done 1 load basically, so it's 1 load circuit. You can have up to 4, but this is one I've just wired into basically this pendant. So I'm going to turn it on, which should make that noise, and then bear with me, this is going to be one-handed as well because I've got to try and do this while I'm holding the phone. So we're going to try and set the switch. So you hold down one of these buttons. Tricky, and then you press the button, it'll make that beep, and then that is preset. You can then do that to all 4, so you have all 4 switches for 4 different lighting systems, or however you want to do it. And then in theory, when you press the switch, it will turn on the light. So that's that. It's a 4-channel system. It's pretty simple, to be fair, very easy to wire up. They're very useful. We use them for most of our landscape gardens and various other applications, but they really suit that sort of thing. You don't have to run switch lines into the house then. You can literally just stick this wall plate. It has a sticky pad in the box, and just stick the wall plate to the wall anywhere. You can get more than one as well and link them, so you can basically have it like it's 2-way, but it's all just radio controlled. And yeah, we use them all the time. We think they're great, but just if anyone wants to have a bit more information on them, if you want to know anything else, just drop us a message or anything like that. Hopefully that's been useful. Yeah, if there's anything else, give us a follow as well, and see you on the next one.